Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we'll be talking all things random and trends. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below, and do hit that notification bell so that you may be notified whenever I post a video. Today we are back with a very short and quick video covering a number of topics. Please do stay tuned. Casper Nyovest sends a message of prayer and hope as the pandemic worsens. And I quote, this is what he wrote on Twitter. I quote, "Sending prayers to all the entertainers during this tough time. I know the finances are starting to look very tricky. Do not be afraid to cut down. Now is not the time for abantu bazothini or what will people think. Sort out what is most important and cut the rest. We will be back." This tweet received a lot of positive feedbacks, and I would like to believe that it is not only addressed to people who are in the entertainment industry, but to everyone worldwide. Because of a lot of people have lost their job during this pandemic, it is indeed the time for us to prioritize and focus on what it is important. Msawawa, the one and only Msawawa, is back in the entertainment industry and he is venturing into gospel music. He has released his first gospel song titled Thandaza. We would like to wish you all the best on this journey. New kid in the building. Okay, he goes by the name of Nkule, who is Nhlanhla son. He has dropped his very own single titled Come Alive. Nkule the rapper will be using the stage name Nciza, and his mom is really proud of this achievement. And that's a wrap for today. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you next time.